Alright, hey guys, I just got the B2 Fabrications muffler in the mail today for the 2020 Ram 1500. I guess the new body style, so 2019 to 2020 and soon 2021, I imagine. So this is the oval muffler. It also comes in a round, which is more aggressive, and then basically the straight pipe version. So this is the least aggressive. I wanted something that's just adds more rumble to the 5.7 and without any drone and without driving my neighbors crazy. So take a look inside here. Let's see what we got. Actually, considering there's COVID going on right now and at the border, it came pretty quick. So I ordered it on September 29th and today is October 15th, so not too bad, I'd say, overall. Put this camera down, it's probably a lot easier. Alright. Got our clamps here for where you're going to cut the exhaust. I think at about 1.25 inches or 1.5 inches or whatever it tells you to leave. I'll have to double check. And then you're going to mount this side on the existing hangers. And then that one as well. And that's where you're going to bolt it on, I believe, to the resonator that's still there. So I'll do a before and after video as well with a cold start. I mean, there's lots of the existing sound. Here it is. B2 Fabrications. So before, this used to say MagnaFlow on it, so I believe they've made their own now. But from what I saw on the forums, when this is cut open, it looks pretty much identical to what the MagnaFlow looked like. So I don't know if they're just machining their own now or what the deal is, but the sound should be pretty much identical. Give a close-up of the wells there. If it'll focus. Still got some weight to it, but it's supposed to be a lot lighter than the existing one. So stay tuned, do another video of the cold start, some before and afters, and maybe some rips down the road a little bit to give you guys a better idea of what the sound's like.